Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, today we are going to be analyzing eurogBp. So, guys, when it comes to the market, you just have to follow the rules, like the simple rules. The rules are very simple. You just have to follow simple rules. You just don't have to do many things while analyzing your chart. You just have to know what the professional traders are doing. Sorry guys, it's like we're having problems while recording this video because I can see that even the time is not counting very well, like it's always jumping. I know that maybe some of you might not hear me, so let me try to repeat again slowly. So what I meant is that, guys, due to this forex thing, you'll just have to follow simple rules, like only simple rules. That is when you are going to get there. But without following the rules and discipline, just know that you are going to lose. So let's start analyzing. So there are many different ways of analyzing. Some some they just analyze without reason, like they don't even know why are they doing this or why are they analyzing this. So you first of all, you will just have to understand the time frames, like the equilibrium. It is very important. You'll just have to understand the time frames, which time frame are you combining. So if you want to be a forex trader, that means you must be willing to use at least two time frames or three in order so that your analysis can be can give you the correct price. Because what you just have to understand is that you don't have to get lost in the market. You will just have to follow what the big boys are doing. So once you understand what the big boys are doing, that means you are now a pro in the market. So let's try to analyze euro gbp as simple as this, like, okay, and we can get another touch here. So in order to know where to put these lines, you can just use a line chart. Like, I think a line chart is very much simple because you can see that it was not accurate, but on the line chart it is now accurate. You can see that the market has touched these zones. These zones are important. Like, this is the previous one. This one is the previous one. Is the previous high. The previous high. This is the previous high, and this is the previous low. So as you can see that the market here come and create a lower low. So the way we analyze, we always write down in order to understand what we are doing. So here, just because of there is a horizontal line, we can write that horizontal, horizon, horizontal, horizontal line. And if you can see, this horizontal line is at support, like we call it horizontal support. Which the problem is just that, like, I deleted all instead of deleting only line. Basic horizontal support plus lower low, because you can see this is a lower low. This is how you analyze in order not to get confused. So once you're analyzing, you'll just have to write down to know what you are doing, because you cannot just analyze and think, "Ore, this is a trend line," without knowing what type of a trend line or why are you drawing that trend line. So you can see that here is a support plus lower low, as you can see. Then after this upper, we call it upper level, we call it resistance. Resistance means to block, like the market have to block the price in order not to go up. So this is resistance. This is where we find the suppliers. The suppliers, we find them here. The suppliers. We find the suppliers here. This is where we find the suppliers. If you are a drug dealer, that means you are going to be waiting for your suppliers exactly here. And horizontal support. Let's put it here. So as you can see, guys, like if you want to mark, let's say, the important parts, like you can do it, like there's important spots, like, okay, we can mark here. We can mark, like, let's the problem is just that this video is going to be long, and I didn't want it to be very long. I didn't want it to be very long, but I will just have to show you. You can mark all the important zones that is very important in the market while you're analyzing. And then let's see, and this one is an important zone. And guys, you'll just have to understand order flow. Order flow is very, very important. Order flow is very important. There is bullish order flow and bearish order flow. You'll just have to understand the gain momentum and the lose momentum. So guys, yeah, guys. So it's very important to understand the liquidity, and you will just have to understand that in order for the big boys to come to the market, they just have to create liquidity first. And I know that liquidity is not something that you can like to trade. So in order to catch this bigger movement, so you'll just have to follow what I'm going to teach you now. As you can see, it already confirmed buy. This is a bullish engulfing pattern, and you can see that this is a bullish engulfing pattern, and you can see that it broke here. So after that, you just have to wait for retest, because you can see that the market now broke the resistance. It now tend to support, as you can see. So the market was at support, and it didn't respect this support. We knew that it was going to break. If it didn't respect this support, we knew that it was going to break. Now it broke, and after breaking, it created a bullish engulfing pattern. So after this bullish engulfing pattern, that's where we are going to look for entries. As you can see, now you are going to look for buying opportunities because the market now is at lower low. So many people, they analyze the market differently. Not that you are wrong. If you are analyzing the market and you are making profit not out of luck, that means we congratulate you. We are happy for you. So what you just have to understand the market is not the guesswork. So it is very much important for you to find a mentor before jumping into the charts. This is how we can analyze here. You can see that the market, let's do it like this. Yeah, you can see that, yeah, just like this. You can see that the market is at, you can see that the market was at downtrend. Guys, there's no other way we analyze. This is how we analyze. This is how we analyze, guys. There's no other way. There's this touch and this touch, and here there's this touch and this touch. After the market failed to break this one, it failed to break this touch. Simply means that the market is going up. So without wasting much time, guys, let's jump to EURUSD. Euro. So guys, let me take screenshot for that one. So guys, it is very important to take screenshot while analyzing what you are doing so that you can see whether you are improving or you are not improving. It is very, very much important. So for you to stick to your strategy, that means you just have to be taking screenshots. This is how to be profitable, and we are giving you all this information for free. We are teaching you for free. Euro USD. Let's use this. Sorry guys, what did I do here? Guys, mostly we are always right, guys. Like, this is Euro. Let's just start. Where can we catch it? Like, we can catch it anywhere. It doesn't matter. We can catch it anywhere. As long as we get As long as we get these touches. Do you see these touches? Yo, where are those touches? Or let's take it from down here. As long as we get these touches. So here is a breakout. You can see this is the lower highs and these are the lower lows. As you can see, as simple as this. Let's go to the other pair. Our favorite pair, gold. How do we analyze gold? How do we analyze gold? This is the god of forex. Sorry guys, I'm not the god of forex. It's just that sometimes this knowledge can take you to a different place. Like you don't think like others. Yeah, I think I already analyze it. I will just have to tell you why. We can see this zone, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and these ones. Ne? You can see that these zones are important. Ne? So, so let's say it's already analyzed. This is the support area. This is the resistance area. Let's just write it down. Okay, so you just have to understand the older blocks are very important. In order for you to get the entries, you'll just have to understand the older blocks, the fair gap values. This is the support. This is the support area. As you can see, as simple as this, guys. So we'll be doing this for 3 years, or for 5 years, or for 20 years, or for 50 years. For free. Which pair can we go to now? Let's go to USD CAD. What I like about USD CAD is that USD CAD is very, 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 very much simple. In order for you to understand the formation of the market, you just have to be patient and be loyal to the market. You just don't have to accuse the market of something that the market doesn't know. So we analyze in a different way. So that's why you can see that I'm deleting the points of interest, or we analyze in the different way. So there are different ways we dive into the market. We just have to. There are different ways we go into the market. There are different ways. Guys, remember we are teaching you this for free. If someone texts you, you are not selling anything. I don't know what's happening here.